and welcome back to my channel, and thank you for joining me here today. Today's video is super special because I'm getting to work with Essence today on this amazing video, and as you guys know, Essence is one of my favorite affordable brands. They are cruelty free, so they don't test on animals. They are, like I said, super affordable, and they're available in pennies in most pharmacies nationwide, which is just amazing for super affordable prices. Ton of new products coming out for Essence this summer, and they will be in pennies and pharmacies nationwide in the next couple of weeks, so that's super exciting. Keep an eye out for them. So in today's video I decided that I wanted to do something kind of dewy and glowy and fresh today. If you guys remember, in my last video I was talking about how my skin was a little bit dehydrated, and it's still dehydrated. I don't know what the scale is with it because I'm drinking tons of water, I'm eating pretty well, so instead I'm going to fake it till I make it with my makeup today, and I'm just going to create the illusion of glowy fresh skin. Anyway, let's start this off, and the first product I have here is the Essence Glow to Go, and this is their illuminating setting spray. Now when my skin is feeling a little bit dehydrated like this, I think an illuminating spray is great to spray all over the face prior to applying anything, so that's what I'm going to do today. I've already moisturized my skin and I'm just going to spray this from afar. What a lovely, oh, that smells really nice. For my primer, you guys will know I've used this primer before and I absolutely love it. This is the Fresh and Fit Awake primer. So this kind of has like a glowy effect to the skin. It's super fresh and just makes your skin glow from within. So I don't know if that's evident on camera, but you can see how illuminating my skin is from using that primer. Next thing I'm going to take is their Fresh and Fit Awake makeup, and this is a fresh new bottle. I think I'm halfway through my other one because I use this on no makeup days. I really like this foundation. Again, this gives your skin that kind of like fresh, glowy look. So I'm just going to apply that to my skin. It's a really light coverage foundation, but it's completely and utterly buildable. I tried out a new self tanner and I'm not impressed with it at all. I think it's one of the worst self tanners to come off my skin. It's making it look ratchet. That gives such a nice finish to the skin. It's quite dewy, but it's not going to make me look really oily throughout the day. It's just going to make my skin look quite fresh. So I think that is enough foundation for now. I'm going to conceal underneath my eyes. I actually haven't used this concealer in a long time. This is the Camouflage Full Coverage Concealer, and this is really good at concealing my under eye bags. Super full coverage. A lot of people rave about this concealer. I hope that's not too light. It's looking light in person, but maybe when we blend it out it'll be okay. I will write down the number and all the products in the description below anyway. Next, I want to set my face. If you have drier skin, you might not need to do this step. For me, I have oily skin and I just feel like this makes my foundation last a little bit longer as well. I have two powders for brightening up underneath my eye. I think the Brightening Up Peach powder might be a little bit dark for me. I think that would be ideal for deeper skin tones, just to brighten up underneath the eye. So instead, I'm going to take the Brighten Up Banana powder, which I've used a ton of times before, and I really like this because it just brightens up my under eye while setting it. This foundation will give the illusion of dewy skin anyway, so setting it's not going to change the formula of the foundation, if that makes any sense. And then just to set the face, I'm taking the Mattify Compact Powder, and this is in the shade Perfect Beige 04. So even though I set my skin, it's still fresh and dewy looking, and what I'm going to do next is my eyebrows because I feel like they really need to be sorted out. I was sent this really cool product, so it looks like a highlighter, and this is called their Brow Marker Semi-Permanent. And then they sent me out these new Make Me Brow products, which I am very intrigued with because they are, they're like a powder texture products. That's what they look like there in the back of my hand. This is, like I said, shaped like a highlighter. I've never used anything like this in my life in my brows. I'm a little bit scared. I'm just going to pop it through my brows and hope for the best. Not sure how I should go about doing this, but maybe just little short strokes through my brow. I definitely feel like I'm using a highlighter through my brows. which I guess I suppose I am. I actually quite like that product. It was super easy to use. I'm going to try the little Make Me brow and just see what I think of this. I'm going to use the lighter shade. I'm just going to put it through the front of my brows. I'm just going to put it through my whole brow now. I really like that brow product. I think that looks really cool, both those brow products. So I'm happy out. So next I want to bronze up my skin. I want it looking bronzed and glowy. And I'm going to take this Sun Club matte bronzing powder, which I have used for years and years and years and years and years. And I still like it to this day. I'm going to apply that around the perimeters of my face. I want to make myself quite bronzed and glowy today. We're going for fresh bronze glowy skin. I'm also going to take a little bit of that bronzer and just pop it through my crease as well, because I don't want to apply too much makeup to my eyes. Seriously need to blend that out a bit. I'm going to pop a little bit underneath my lower lash line as well. So now for the fun part, let's get glowy. So I have tons of glowy highlighting products here and I can't wait to try them. This palette is something that's really grabbed my attention because when I swatched this shade here, it looks so similar to NARS's Orgasm. I am obsessed with this shade. Look at that. I don't know if you can see that. I hope you can. And then there's like a dark highlighting shade. Obviously it's going to be too deep for my skin. But if you have really deep skin, that's going to be super pretty. We've kind of like a whiter shade for paler skin. And then I think this gold is going to be right at my alley. Look at them. They're so glowy and they're not too over intense. Then I have this holographic loose powder, which I'm really interested in. It's like a purple holograph. I don't know if you can even see that. That is so cool. So I'm thinking I might put that in my inner corner of my eye just to brighten it up. I have this mermaid one. I actually think it looks so cool. Oh, that is actually really nice. You mix all the colors together, you get a really nice glow. I'm gonna just try everything. And the final palette that I have is this one here. This is the highlighting palette. Again, there's shades for kind of deeper skin and then paler skin. There's like a gold and then a cream shade. I'm just going to like highlight with everything. That's what some of them look like. Let's get going with the glowiness. So I'm gonna take my brush and I'm gonna spritz it with this Glow to Go setting spray just to wet my brush, because I want this to be really intense. Oops, actually before I do that, I'm going to apply the blush. I'm so excited. I'm going to apply that to the apples of my cheeks. Really pretty. So now I'm going to take my moist brush and I'm going to go in with this bottom shade here. I'm just going to apply that to the tops of my cheekbones. Oh my god. That's a lot of glow. And then I'm just going to pop a bit over my brow. And I'm going to take this like mermaid highlighter and I'm going to pop that onto my lids, I think, because I think it's so interesting. And then I'm going to take this glow powder. This is the holographic one. And I'm just going to take this on a flat shader brush and pop that into the inner portion of my eye, just to open it all up. Oh my god, it's so pretty. I'm shook. That is so pretty and really illuminating. I'm going to go back in with this powder again and I'm just going to pop this on my collarbones or just on my body just to make my body glow a little bit. Actually, do you know what I'm going to do? I'm going to take the darker shade down here because I think that might add a little bit more of a bronze as well, because my fake tan looks like crap. My body is ridiculously glowy now. But that's what I want. I need to add a touch of mascara because my lashes look a little bit sad. Two mascaras here. I have the Volume Hero mascara. I think I've used that one before. And then I have the Super Curl Volume mascara. So this is eye opening and this is Power Black. Oh yes, I've used this one before, the curved one. So this is the one I haven't used before, the Volume Hero, which I think I'm going to go with this one. That wand is so like they're real from Benefit. So let's check this out. I had to pop back in my Invisalign because I've left them out for the last hour. Now I'm going to be lisping. Nice formula mascara actually. Not sure at this point if I want to add falsies. I'll do my lips and then we'll consider it. So I have a ton of these new lippies and they come in this really cool packaging. They're like silver on the bottom and then the colours on the top. So I have this deep shade. That's not something I'm looking for this look. It's a beautiful colour but not for today. And I have this kind of rosy shade, or is it like a deep rosy shade? Yeah, it's like a rosy shade. A nude, which of course is going to be something I'll be interested in. Oh, it's a deeper nude. I like that one actually. That's really nice. And then I have this pink shade. Oh, that's really pretty. That's it there. But I think I'm gonna go with the nude. Shocker. So I'm taking my all-time favorite lip liner from Essence in the shade Satin Mauve, and I'm going to line my lips with that. And now I'm going to apply that lipstick. So this is in the shade 11. And these are the Colour Shine lipsticks, just if you're wondering. I think that shade is really nice. It just kind of, ooh, I'm winding it up a little bit too far. I think that gives your lips a real like glossy look without being too intense. Okay guys, so we are done. What do you think of the Fresh Glowy Skin? I am obsessed. Obsessed. Look at this highlighter. I think my skin looks really fresh and youthful and glowy, and I really like this makeup look. It's something really simple. I put falsies on in the end because I was blessed with lots of things in life, but long lashes were not one of them. I just love this glow all over my chest and my collarbones and my shoulders. I just think it is amazing, this collection. I'm really excited about it, and I'm definitely going to be using more of the products throughout the summer. 100%. Really nice and simple for a daytime look. I think it's amazing for something like a daytime event, if you're going to a barbecue, or maybe you just want to wear this on a night out because it's really fresh. I think it'd be amazing on holidays, and I'm going to be sporting something like this all summer long. So guys, if you do want to check out some of the new amazing products from Essence, I'm shook and really impressed with the quality of these products. Essence never disappoints ever, and I'm just really impressed with these brand new products that they've come out with. So definitely go to your local penneys or nearest Essence counter to pick up some of these products in the next few weeks, and we will be all getting our glow on this summer. I hope you guys enjoyed this makeup tutorial and something a little bit more fresher from me, because I know a lot of you are like, I wish you'd do more simple makeup. So I hope I achieved what you guys wanted. I love you guys so much. Thank you so much for tuning in. Thank you so much to Essence for sponsoring today's video. You just make my day. So I hope you guys have a wonderful day, and I will talk to you in my next video. Mwah! Bye guys.